Welcome back. As promised, let's talk commodities. Manisha is with us. Manisha.
Well, thank you so much for that. I'm looking at metals as a sector because there's some cooling off here after that recent run-up that we saw in prices. Well, the dollar is strengthened a bit, that's weighing on. And in the recent days, while of course we've seen recovering data from China, the expectation that the US Fed rate cut will happen in the month of June, there is a 75% probability of that. And the markets also have seen better Chinese data coming in. But from those kind of levels, now there is some profit taking. We're closing towards March ending as well. And this could be one of the reasons that this is happening. I want to start with copper first, and that one is off the one-year highs that we saw it trading within. We saw 9,100. It's trading at $8,700 a ton now. The prices have had run up because China smelters cut production, halted production for various areas there. And also when you look at the deliverable copper on exchanges, that is gained about 20% on a week-on-week basis. But after that hype and all-time highs in China, there is profit taking by speculators, hedge funds as well that you have seen come in case of copper. Zinc as well has seen a very sharp decline in the matter of last 2 or 3 trading sessions. That is after Glencore announced that Nordenham smelter will resume after 1 year. Also, when you look at the zinc inventories on LME, they are at a multi-year highs, almost standing at around 275,000 tons there. Not just copper and zinc, nickel is off its 1-month highs as well. We are trading at 1-month lows actually when it comes to this one. This is after Indonesia has announced that the production quota of 152,000 million tons is what they have approved and is in process of approving by the time March ends. So you have more nickel coming out of Indonesia, and a similar story coming in for tin as well, which is off its 8-month highs. 1, the inventories have been increasing, and 2, you have Indonesia issuing new production quota of 400,000 tons for this year. So all the metals after that recent run-up have come under some profit taking. When you look at the prices on a week-on-week basis, we are actually trading into negative for many of those there. For this week now, it's going to be about the China manufacturing and services PMI numbers, and it also is going to be about the Fed speeches and inflation data. All of that comes in this week. Now, I want to take you through on what the metals have done for the month of March until now, and that's a story to tell, because when you look at the non-ferrous space, we are in the positive here. Copper is up 4.5%, and the best of the gains clearly coming in for aluminum there. Steel and iron ore prices are up on a week-on-week basis, but on a month-on-month basis, we still are into negative here, but clearly that has improved also. But the best gains clearly are in for the precious metal prices, where you have gold up 7.5% and silver is an outperformer with 10% gains for the month of March.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha. Well,